that we as a Muslim, if we give our word to someone that this is the day I will pay you, it is our responsibility that we pay them on that day. And remember that if we are unable to pay, and if we start making excuses and we start lying to them, we are now engaging in a sin which will take angels away 1 mile from us. Remember that when we speak one lie, the angels stay 1 mile away from us. Now we are lying to them, and that person who takes or borrows money with the intention of not returning him, the hadith has mentioned that that person is a thief. But if we have given our word, and if we have given our zaban to someone, that this is the day I will pay you, remember, do not feel shy to go and tell him the truth. That, look my brother, I am in a difficulty and I am not able to fulfill my commitment. This is my problem and this is my situation. But by you lying to him, and but by you making fake promises, remember that you are now increasing the sins. You are making fake promises. You are going against your word. You are going against that which is not supposed to be a quality of a Muslim.